What's up guys, Viper FPV here, and today we have our August 2019 drone drop. I do these every month. I do drone drop, quad box, and FPV crate. So what we're going to do is we're going to do an unboxing, kind of just see what's inside for this month, and then kind of give you my thoughts, a little bit of what I thought about this month's box. Stay tuned also for the quad box. That should be coming out real soon as well. So let's go ahead and do an unboxing. And that is not my address, just so you guys are aware. And let's take a look, see what we got. So it looks like we got some TBS stickers. These are kind of cool, actually. It has a little Tango, probably the Tango 1. Yeah. Cool. And then we got some props. We got some Ethics S4 Lemon Lime props. And we got 3 sets of those. Looks like we also got ourselves a TBS right hand patch antenna. It's a little tiny patch. Tiny. And then we also got ourselves a little coaster, Team Black Sheep Cirrus Toys coaster. But nice if it came with more than just one. And then looks like this is for the boost for this month, is a Transtech laser light frame. I'm going to go ahead and build this thing real quick and see what it looks like. Alright, so that's the frame pretty much built. I think I put one of the arms on the wrong way because it actually has 2 for one side and 2 for the other. But that pretty much gets you a look of what it looks like. This is reminiscent of the quad box frame we got quite a few months ago. So yeah, nothing too interesting about it. It does have these soft mounts, which I do not like. They tend to pop out when, especially if you hit like something hard. They can pull through. I know it has a screw and a washer there, but yeah, exactly. So that should do it for the August 2019 drone drop. I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you guys in a future video. Peace.